What if I told you these simple parts, just two wheels, a chain, and some metal, is one of the most efficient ways humans have ever invented to move since the domestication of the horse? That's bicycle. But most people have no idea how a bicycle actually works. Let's break it down. Bicycles turn your energy to motion. Everything starts with the pedals. When your legs push down on the pedals, you're applying force. Those pedals are connected to cranks, which act like lever. As you push, the cranks rotate a gear called the chainring. This pulls the chain, and the chain turns the back wheel. That's it. Your muscle power becomes motion. But here's the problem. Your legs don't like extremes. Pedal too fast, you burn out. Pedal too slow, the bike barely moves. That's where gears come in. Each gear has a different number of teeth. Changing gears adjusts how fast the wheel spins. For the same pedaling speed, low gear is like climbing mode. Big gear in the back. Easier to pedal. More power, but slower speed. You pedal many times, just to move a little. Perfect for hills. High gear is for speed. Smaller gear. Harder to pedal, but each push goes farther. Now one pedal turn sends you much further. Perfect for flat roads or going fast. So how does the bike switch gears? A clever device called the derailleur. It moves the chain from one gear to another. Just a small shift. Completely changes how the bike feels. Look at a bicycle frame. It's made of two triangles. Why triangles? Because triangles are incredibly strong. This shape keeps the bike rigid and stable, even when you're riding fast or hitting bumps. Now let's talk about control. When you turn the handlebars, you're actually turning the front wheel. The handlebars act like levers, making it easier to steer with less effort. Some bikes even have drop handlebars that let riders lean forward, reducing air resistance and increasing speed. Speed is great, but stopping is just as important. When you squeeze the brake lever, a cable pulls tight. This moves the brake pads inward. They press against the wheel, creating friction, and friction slows you down. Simple, but powerful. Now here's the mystery. Why doesn't a bicycle just fall over? Two classic ideas help explain this. First, the gyroscopic effect. The spinning front wheel behaves like a gyroscope. If the bike starts to fall to one side, the wheel naturally turns that way, helping you stay balanced. Second, the caster effect. The front wheel touches the ground slightly behind the steering axis. This makes it automatically align with your direction of travel, just like the wheels on a shopping cart. That's simple. So next time you ride a bicycle, remember, you're not just pedaling. You're using crank, gears, chain, wheels, all working together in perfect harmony. A simple machine. That's actually a masterpiece. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more science stories. And let me know in the comments what you want me to explain next.